So for the second step in an experiment, it is ask a question. That is just what do you think is, like, what happens? Like, what do you think is going to happen? So the question that we want answered is, what happens when soda and Mentos mix? So what happens when I pour this pack of Mentos into this 2-liter bottle of soda? So you're going to ask yourself, what do I think is going to happen? Well, do you have any previous knowledge on this? Like, have you heard about what happened? Do you, like, with your knowledge of soda, what happens when you mess with soda? What do you think might happen? So, will it make smoke? Do you think it might make smoke? You never know. Some people don't even know what Mentos are. I know when I was your age, I didn't know what Mentos were. I never ate them. Will it explode? A lot of times soda, if you shake it really fast, it explodes. So, like, soda has a lot of reactions. This part, you're just going to get creative. You're going to have an imagination. You're just going to think of what could happen. This is where you're just going to keep thinking. You're going to be like, oh, well, this could happen. So anything you could write. Like, it is okay. Anything could happen. This is an experiment. So what I want you to do is mainly focus on what happens when soda and Mentos mix, but I also want you guys to write down 3 questions that you also have. Like, why does this happen? What causes this? What is inside of, like you know what I mean? Just questions that you have that we can answer at the end of the experiment. Hopefully the experiment itself, once we get started, it'll answer all your questions, but it might not. So if it doesn't answer all your questions, we'll go over them. But yeah, that is the first thing that we're mainly doing for our experiment, is just getting that question. What happens when soda and Mentos mix? Because we didn't really do much observation.